Hey there, my name is Mombi Hinga, and today I want to talk about taking control of your time. If you're feeling overwhelmed with a daily grind and wondering how to take back control of your time, then this video is for you. Today we are going to dive into the DRIP model, DRIP, from Dan Martell's book, Buy Back Your Time. The DRIP model is all about delegation and prioritizing what truly matters in your business. It stands for delegate, replace, improve, and perform. So let's break it down. First up, delegate. As entrepreneurs, we wear many hats, but the reality is you cannot do it all by yourself. You need to identify the tasks that don't need your personal touch and delegate them. And this isn't just about offloading work. It really is about empowering your team to take ownership. Trust me, delegation is a superpower. Delegating effectively means building a team you trust and investing in their growth. It's about creating an environment where they feel capable and motivated to take on responsibilities. When you delegate, you free up your own time to focus on strategic initiatives that drive your business forward. Plus, your team gains the confidence and the skills they need to excel, making your business stronger as a whole. Successful delegation also involves clear communication and setting expectations. So provide your team with the resources they need and be available for guidance without micromanaging. Remember, when your team succeeds, your business succeeds. For example, if you're running a small online retail business, you could delegate customer service tasks to a dedicated representative. And this allows you to focus on, for example, product development and marketing strategies. Another example is hiring a virtual assistant to handle administrative tasks, for example, scheduling, email management, and bookkeeping. This way you can concentrate on high-level decisions and business growth. By delegating effectively, you create a more efficient and productive business environment, enabling you to achieve more in less time. Another thing you can do to manage your time is to replace. Sometimes the tools and the processes we started our business with are not the ones that will take us to the next level. So evaluate what's working and what's not. You can replace outdated methods with more efficient systems. This might mean investing in new software or adopting different strategies. Remember, evolution is key to growth. Replacing isn't just about changing tools, it's about embracing a culture of continuous improvement. It's important to stay adaptable and open to new ideas. By regularly assessing your operations and seeking out more efficient alternatives, you ensure that your business remains agile and competitive. This proactive approach keeps you ahead of the curve, ready to tackle any challenges that come your way. Additionally, replacing inefficient processes can reduce cost and improve overall productivity. Don't be afraid to let go of what's not working, even if it's something you've relied on for a very long time. For instance, if you're using manual spreadsheets to manage inventory, consider switching to an automated inventory management system. This can save time, reduce errors, and provide real-time insights into your stock levels. Another example is upgrading from basic email communication to a comprehensive project management tool like Monday.com, Trello, or Asana. I use Monday.com for my team. These platforms allow for better collaboration, task tracking, and workflow management, ensuring that your team stays organized and efficient. By replacing older methods with modern solutions, you can streamline your operations and focus on what truly matters. Now, let's talk about improving in order to manage your time better. This is where you refine and optimize. Look at the processes you have in place and find ways to make them better. Continuous improvement isn't just a business strategy, it is a mindset. Always ask yourself, how can this be done more effectively? Improving is about fostering a culture of striving for the best possible. Encourage your team to provide feedback and suggestions and be open to experimenting with new approaches. Small incremental changes can lead to significant improvements over time. By prioritizing improvement, you create a dynamic and resilient business that continuously evolves to meet the needs of your customers and the demands of the market. Regularly reviewing your performance metrics and setting new goals will keep your business on a path of sustained growth and success. Improvement is an ongoing journey, not a destination. For example, if you notice that your team spends a lot of time on repetitive tasks, look into automating those processes. Implementing automation tools for tasks such as data entry, social media posting, or email marketing can significantly reduce the workload and increase efficiency. Another example is conducting regular training sessions to upskill your team by providing ongoing education and development opportunities. You ensure that your employees are equipped with the latest knowledge and skills, driving continuous improvement and innovation within your business. Finally, perform. This is where you shine. Focus on the tasks that align with your strengths and your passions. When you operate in your zone of genius, you bring the most value to your business. And guess what? It feels amazing too. Performing at your best means recognizing where you add the most value and dedicating your time to these areas. It's about leveraging your unique skills and passions to drive your business forward. By focusing on what you do best, you not only enhance your productivity, but also find greater fulfillment in your work, leading to a more successful and enjoyable entrepreneurial journey. Surround yourself with a team that complements your strengths and fills in your weaknesses. This way you create a well-rounded, high-performing business. For instance, if you're natural at networking and building relationships, spend more time on business development and partnership opportunities. Let others handle tasks like accounting or logistics, which might not be your forte. Another example is if you're a creative genius who loves designing products, dedicate your efforts to product innovation and leave the marketing and sales to someone who excels in those areas. By concentrating on your strengths and passions, you not only boost your business performance, but also ensure that you're doing work that excites you and motivates you every single day. So, there you have it, the DRIP model: delegate, replace, improve, and perform. By integrating these principles, you can reclaim your time, reduce burnout, and drive your business to new heights. Remember, it's not always going to be about working hard. Eventually, it has to be about working smarter as your business begins to scale. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe. And if you're ready to transform your idea of business into a profitable venture, join me at Mompreneur Society, where we turn dreams into reality. You can find all the links below. And until next time, stay empowered and keep thriving.